Hello friends, welcome to BSP Solutions. My name is Basant, and in today's video we are going to learn how to load the fixed file format with DRCR try balance using the split expression. And in this we are going to use the data management tool. So quickly move on to our application, and first we have to go to navigator at the top left side and open data management. So while it is opening, I will show you the file which I'm going to use. So this is a basic trial balance you can see in a fixed file format, and we have accounts as you can see, and in second column we have the entities, and for the amount we have the DRCR split you can see, and in the third column we are going to use the positive numbers for this for the DR, and for the CR we are going to use the negative figures. Okay, so quickly move on to application. Okay, open the DM. So here's the data management, and go to setup, and we have to define our source system. So I've already created one source system, that is file. You can create yours also. So I will select and click save. Okay, after clicking save you have to define your target application. I have already created one target application, that is BISP CNSL, and I will select that. And before saving you have to be sure that all the dimensions are present here. Okay, then we click save, and we have to define our import format. So I will make one import format. So I will click add. Okay, after clicking add you have to name it. I am going to name it as IMF DR CR split. Okay, and the file type will be fixed numeric data. Okay, and delimiter will be none, or it will gray out, and target is this, our application, and then we will click save. Okay, so after clicking save we just have to select our import format and give the mappings for this. Okay, so we have to define our source column, start, length, and expression we will skip, and we have the targets. Okay, so target, the source column will be same as the target, so we will quickly give the name for this. First is account, and the start. Yeah, in start we have the first character. It is asking for the character from which it the position of that character it is starting. So this is account is at the first position, so the start will be 1 in this. And length, yeah, length we have to count the length of the characters we have. So we have 5 characters in this, as you can see. For account we have 5 characters, so the length I will give 5 and click save. Okay, so again we have to select it. Okay, so after this we have to select our amount. Okay, amount we have to again count the position of the character. So till here it is 5, and space we have to count the space also, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, we have to count till 12, and our amount starts from the 13th position, as you can see. I will again show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and from the 13th we have the amounts starting. So I will give the start as 13, and length we have to define for all the DRs here. So we total have the character of 9 in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, also the space, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have the length of 9 characters in the amount column, and then we will give data source we don't have in our file, so we will quickly just skip and give 1 and 0 for this. Okay, and we have entity then. Okay, and in entity is at the 7th position. As you know, we have the accounts till the 5th position, and space is 6th, and from the 7th character we have the entities. So start will be 7, and in entity we have 5 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we will give length as 5 and then click save. Okay, select our file, import format, and now quickly I will give the 1 and 0 mapping for all the rest dimensions. Intercompany, movement. Okay, we don't have product in this, so again I will give 1 and 0 and click save. Okay, so after clicking save, you again have to select your file, the import format, and here you can see we have all the mappings here, and for the amount we have to give an expression as I told you. So we are going to use the DRCR split expression in this, and the expression value I will show you how we will put that. So we are going to split from the between of the DRCR, and we have to give the character from which position of the character we are going to split the amount. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So from the fifth character our DRCR amounts are being splitted, so we just give the expression value as 5 because we want to split the data, the amount data, to split from the fifth position. So I will give 5 and click OK, and here you can see we got the DRCR split expression, and then click save. And after this we have to give the location. So I will make one location here. I will give name it as LOC underscore split. Okay, DRCR, and we have to choose the import format which we have just created. So this is my import format, and everything is fine. We have the function currency as entity currency and target, and everything is fine. Click save. Okay, after this we have to go to workflow and make one mapping for this. So data load rule mapping, and here you have to choose the location which we have just created. Click reset and search. So my location is this LOC underscore DRCR. I will select that and click OK. And period I am going to choose in this is Jan 15. Okay, so here we are, and in this mapping I'm going to use the like mapping for all the possible dimensions, and I will select on the like and click add, and I will give the star mapping. Okay, rule you can give any rule name. Click save, and data I will skip, and in data source it is already system generated. Again we will skip, and entity I will again give the live mapping. So star star and rule name, then click save. Yeah, in from currency we will give the mapping as like, but the target value will be the entity currency. Okay, click save, and then we go to intercompany. Intercompany I'm going to give the target value as no intercompany, that is FCCs underscore no intercompany. Again we will click save. We have the moment. Okay, in my file I'm going to use the cash account, so I will change the system generated moment, that is moments net income. I will change it to moments cash, and then click save. Okay, multi-gap is also system generated, that is local gap, and it is fine. So skip that, and then we choose the like a mapping for the product. So again I will give the target value as no product because we don't have any product in our file, and click save. Okay, so everything has been saved. Then we go to data load rule after this and make one data load rule. So I will name it as DLR split, and import format we have to give here. Okay, this is my import format. Okay, then we have to upload the file which we are going to use. So select it and select our file. Okay, so this is my file which I'm going to upload. I already showed you. Click OK, and again click OK, and then click save. Okay, so we have to just execute the load rule, and right now I'm going to import, and at the same time I'm going to export the data to the application. Export mode will be replaced and click run. Okay, the process has been submitted. We have to wait for some time. Okay, it is still okay. Our file has been correctly imported. As you can see, we got the green tick, and let's go to data load workbench. Okay, we got the three golden fishes. As you can see, the import is done, the validation is also done, and the export is also done correctly. You can also see the mappings here for all the dimensions, and you can see here we got the minus figures, the negative figure for the CR, like we have the 9,000 in negative on all the CR figures as negative. So I will quickly show you the figures at the smart view also. So we'll open Excel. Okay, I will quickly connect my Excel to the application. Okay, so it is connected now, and we have to define the POVs here. Okay, so the structure is ID. I will quickly define the POVs. Okay, so financial year was FY15, period was January, and scenario was actual. PO is periodic. Currency was entity currency. Moment was uh, changes in cash. That is the alias for the moment which we have selected. And data source is managed data. If you remember, consolidation is entity input. Intercompany is no intercompany. Local gap is multi gap is local gap. Product is no product. Okay, click refresh. Okay, our entity was v underscore 103, and accounts I will select from here. We have 102, 10, 101, 102, 103, 200, 300, 501. Okay, copy down the entities. Okay, then we will click refresh again. Okay, so as you can see, we got the correct amounts which we got in our DM, and same is reflecting in our Excel through Smart View. So this was the case of loading the fixed file format using the DRCR split expression in Oracle FCCs through DM. So thank you for watching, and if you have any query, please visit our website, that is bspsolutions.com. Thank you.